Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat Pynbiang page yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kaseng Nongtrei Youth Council, henne kasngi kakat pratrek unai lor. Kalalaj ban khanrai ki kot kisla jong ki Nongtrei ba Jylla ki batrei hapo ka Cancer Institute, ka badai ka project jong ka Negrams Hospital, ka bala pentrei da ka company Larsen and Tubo Limited. Hakani ka jinglaj khanrai ka bala tep kom ka ser la palang operation. Ka HYC klalap ya bon nakini ki Jylla. Ki bamdan ya ki kot kisla babiang khamtam ka labor license ka bakidai banyo na ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Hadin kini ka jingkhanrai ki kot kisla na kalang ka HYC kalai kren ru bat ki board panya jong company bapan trei ya kini ka jaka bat habaya kren bat ka bat CCTV u general secretary jong ka HYC u ba Roy Kupar Sandram ulai tho ba ka sengkal aipor ya kini ka company tat hadu ka singin kong bat lada kamla ban Pynbiang ya ki kot kisla ka sengkala kantu badai ban beno iki shekla ki Jong kisnong ki ba kiwan bat lada kini ka company kamla ban na kalyang ka seng kansa le yala ka Jong ka benta uba Roy Kupar Sandram ula ongru ba ka jingyo ala jong ki Jylla ban Nongtrei lan hakani ka Jylla Meghalaya kadai na ka daw ba ka HADC kamla ban petrekam ya ki an ki baklan jongka.
Maximum from West Bengal. Alhamdulillah asal Japan bukan Arsid.
Voter ID ka? Iya, iya.
मार्केट करने का तो कोई ये नहीं है जो चेक नहीं हो रहा है अगर नहीं चलेगा कहाँ है लोग
We came to meet them in order to know that whether they have applied it. And some of their laborers, they don't have even epic also. How will they prove that any incident? You know what is happening in Assam, no? We don't want that to happen here.
But it is not clear that we will be going there and picking the workers. And we have already submitted the labor.
They are only telling. It's not I am telling. The workers are only telling that you are going there and putting the.
Everything they are compliant.
That problem, sir. A big problem.
Sir, we don't have. Right?
No, sir. We are not having. We have already just taken in district council. These people we are having the problem. We are agreeing from district.
Where?
उधर में आईडी ग्रुप आपको बोल रहे हैं आईडी ग्रुप लेके गया मतलब अंदर में घुसेगा क्लब मेरा और बाहर होने का मेरा
No, it's not good
Just
here.
came here to.
You cannot force. You cannot use your force here. It's not good. I'm telling you.
You should not take up the law in your hand.
We understand.
Yeah, but you are not following.
We came here not to.
No, but you are hitting the people.
Hitting the people. Your group is already.
He
I will
is
inform
only
the district.
Okay, sir, let
I'm
us
telling you.
talk. Let us talk. Yeah. It's okay.
What do you want to talk?
I just we asked him to.
Sir, I already.
Some of them they don't
No,
have
sir.
epic card.
No, sir. That I am already explaining. Sir, that problem was there. That last week itself inspection was happened. We have already taken up that issue that these are the problems.
We have already filled the form.
No. Just a minute. Already we have meet the commissioner, the district council, and take up the problem, sir. That who is not having that ethic. What we have to do for them? They are only suggestions.
They are already decided. Okay, you can submit the
Aadhaar or PAN. Both. In absence of ethic. They are only. We are doing on that basis only. We are doing documentation. That only I am explaining.
So we want to make sure that
No, sir, I have shown you the forms. No,
Hello,
sir. I have shown you
please
the
stop your people here not to create any problem. No. We will be in peaceful, okay? In peaceful manner.
Okay, you came here, we'll talk to them. We'll make sure that everyone who is here have proper documents. That's all.
I show you the document.
You just show the documents.
After
we don't
discussion
have
with inspector from district council.
They are doing for your welfare.
Our problem is this. Our problem is this. We don't want people from outside who are illegal.
We know that
Illegal to come and settle in.
we know, sir. We know and we are cooperating with that. We are cooperating with
That's
that.
why, no, we want to make, as you said, some of them do not even have epic. How do they prove that Indian citizens?
So then you ensure that they are living in this labor colony. That you ensure they are not staying outside. That you ensure. Means this is a temporary habitat only. It is not outside the project.
Even if they stay here.
Ah.
They come within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya, right?
That is fine. They are coming with a voter ID card or Aadhaar card.
That's what
That you can discuss in the table also, na?
No, sir, I told you now.
See, they are not applying for any Meghalaya.
See, these are the forms.
We are applying already. Taken up this issue.
See this. See, sir. They have only Aadhaar. And Aadhaar
sir,
has
they have-
only stated that it is not a proof of identity.
Sir, they have only
It's
issue.
epic.
Ah,
They need
sir,
epic.
after-
No, epic though. Myself also, I don't have epic. Yeah, what
Sir.
to do? Sometimes we don't have any time to apply for it.
Sir, you cannot say
understand, nah?
you cannot say
So
that because
they are
you don't have
rightful
epic.
citizen of India, nah?
So see, we are
Just a minute, sir. Just a minute, sir. They have already gone in our labor colony.
If you know that, if you suspect that they are Bangladesh, then I think you will know by appearance also. They are Bangladeshi. But they are all
we have to
Indians.
make sure, no, sir.
See, they have came with a good intention to vote for Meghalaya, to
We
have
understand.
the better of
We
Meghalaya.
came for our protection because we are concerned for our people. If 40 lakhs from Assam,
No, they are staying in the labor colony.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you, who can give a guarantee that?
No, they are showing the Aadhaar card. You are telling
Sir,
this is
you know-
also rejected.
Sir, sir, for this, you have got this list now. We are giving in our letterhead to the district council. These peoples, we are submitting the forms, and these are working in our project. They are staying in our campus, in our labor colony. We are giving in letterhead. Then responsibility is mine. If I with name, with father name, with everything, if I am giving in my letterhead, company's letterhead, that is responsibility is mine. Then how can I deny tomorrow that this person was not belongs to me? Tell me.
No, we just want to make sure.
No, if I am doing something wrong, they will not issue the form to me.
This is just a form.
No, sir, they have after inspection only they have issued.
Ilawan, ban Nongtrei gini ki Nongtrei bela ki batrai pok ke company LNT kabayo kontrak bante gini ke Cancer Institute ang ni pok ni Grims. Kajing wan kajongi ngilap ba hakani company ki don kumba South Pak tam ki Nongtrei ki batrai ki bom sim na don ki kot kisla ki bobyang. Bon ni kini Nongtrei ki badon hang ni ki don tang Aadhaar card kim don ki epic ban pensisya ba ki de ki nong India. Kani kapan don ka jing so hangi bal ese kini ki beri ki dain em ki nong India kata ka de we ka jing tiang ka jongi kelada kim de ki nong kelada kim don ki epic kamut kim don kim de ki nong India tingi so lengo ro ba kini ki Nongtrei ki la tre hang ni da ki kata faudli ki benai kim don wat dia liberalisation ka baki dai banyo na desa council isu jing tep batang ni kita menta kidang shule ki form bat pendap ban submit at desa council Mendai tang kata bagi submit at desa council bagi form mengilap ba ki submit tang Aadhaar umdan tang ke epic ro kani ka persokya ba yang ni namang ngitiang bakung mangitip ka jenglam jengman ka hani ka Jylla ka jongi abagim doni ki an ki bakhlan banyada jing ru kertap ki mender ka ma ka long bayo se ki brio ki ba bu jingmai ka songsot chongsan ka Jylla ka jongi ki la ban wan ri tengen hakini haki bakum kini ki jakari Nongtrei dan kalian ka jongi kum ka seng hadin bagi naki noelam naki manager jong company kila ong ba kila Pynbiang ki form man submit apot desa council kila aipo reki tat hadu kasineng kong banwan biang sesisian ban jurip ke ko slab la deng ilap bagim don ki ya khamta me ke liberalisation apot desa council ngihap ban dawan ki beki ban be no ban mi no nakani ka jaka ka ba maki kitre ngimla ban pelong ni ke Jylla ka jong ikum ka jakari tengen khamtam e jong kinong kamsniu haki naki Jylla ke per khamtam e na Assam yo ki de kinong Bangladesh kin pa ba kani ke dri ka jong ikan Jylla de ki harba